educators, teachers, and people watching this video. COVID has taught us one thing for sure, is that times are unpredictable. So in case something happens wherein you have to study from home, wherein the trainers or the students cannot travel, or even there are some people who can travel but some who cannot, we have an option where using Zoom, you can actually record the sessions, you can take the sessions online for the students who are present here and the students who are absent. What you have to do is you have to go onto the panel, click on the apps icon, just click on Zoom. Now as soon as you click on Zoom, you can have a meeting ID which is there already. Just click on start. So as soon as the start is clicked, the video gets started from here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simultaneously start the video on my laptop. Use your Wi-Fi option. Just click on share, click on screen, start now. Right? And at the same time, through my laptop, I'm going to start the meeting as well. Now here, you can see that on the Zoom, you can at any point of time stop the share screen from here, where you will be the students who will be taking this session, it will look something like this. Right? So students can see your presentation and students can also see what's happening in the screen using our IFPD panel. This will help people who are traveling or at the same time who are not able to attend the lecture to use Zoom and have the access of the lectures from time to time. Thank you.